Okay, this is Chad Brown with Legacy Flow Control in Midland, Texas. I'm going to talk a little bit about the VTM 10S fast cycle actuator, the calibration, and changing from a keep signal, which means you have a dry contact, you give contact, just a little touch of contact to the terminal block, and it's going to go either open or closed. So you can do a keep, you can do a pulse, or you can make that contact, and as long as you have that contact made, it's going to continue operating. When you remove the contact, it's going to stop. Or this actuator can also do 4 to 20 milliamp modulating. So right now it's set up in the keep mode. This is a 24 volt actuator. Up here at the top, you've got a switch that says L for local and M for remote. You got your standard 4 buttons to get, once you get into the menu, these are your buttons for programming and calibrating. Top left is typically your back button. The bottom left is your set or enter button. The top right is your up button, toggle up and then toggle down. Over here, this one's equipped with a battery backup. Over here, you've got 3 different ports, plug ports. This plug port is for when you're doing a pulse or a keep signal. This port is for when you're doing a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. So right now, this actuator is set up to receive a pulse or a keep. And I know it's a keep signal because it says right up here, keep. Okay, so we're gonna run this real quick. So I'll come back over here and cycle it. So just for the demonstration, I gave it the signal by providing contact between 3 and 4 to go counterclockwise. Now to go clockwise, I'll use the same wire to go 3 to 6. This being a fast cycle actuator, this runs in 10 to 12 seconds, and it has battery backup, and torque amount output is 5,310 inch-pounds. So we'll just walk through the calibration stage first. So I'm going to put it in L. Now it says local, keep, hit the set button to enter the menu. Now I see pause Cali, in Cali, out Cali, limit set, and system set. We're going to do pause Cali to calibrate the positions, the open and close. So I'll hit set and do the open position, set. Up is your open, up drives counterclockwise. So press and hold it until you like where your open position is. Okay, and then hit set. And then it says succeed. Then you hit the top left, go back again. Now you're back at open cal or shut cal. Go down, press set. Now press the down button. Calibrate the close. Okay, then hit set there. Now go back, back, back. Now we're in the main menu. Scroll down to system set, set, control mode. It says keep here. This is where you can change it to pulse or to 4 to 20. So let's change this one to 4 to 20. Okay, now we're going from keep to 4 to 20. Then go back again. It has a control flip, meaning the industry standard is 4 milliamps is closed, 20 milliamps is open. You can flip that. So 20 milliamps would be closed. Go down till you get, let's see here. Okay, signal loss. I want this to fail close on loss of 4 to 20 signal. But I can also make it fail at any percentage between 0 and 90. I can fail it in place. I can fail it open, but we're gonna make it fail close, which is called shut position. Set that, go back. Okay. Now power loss. If you got a battery backup, you can set this to fail open, close, in place, or a percentage of travel. So I'm gonna set this to fail close, set, go back. Okay, then just back out of this. Okay, now the board says adjust. So we moved from keep to adjust by changing the control mode from keep to 4 to 20 milliamp. Now the one thing we have to do is remember to move this. Take this switch, this plug, and put it down here. Before we do that, I'm gonna cut power, unplug the battery, then relocate this plug, plug the battery in, turn the power on. Okay, now it says remote, adjust. Make sure to flip it into M position. Okay, so now I've got a signal generator here. This is just a 4 to 20 milliamp signal generator. Picked it up on Amazon. So I tell it, now it's at 4 milliamp, closed. Now it's going to 25 milliamp. Now it's going to 50 milliamp. 16. Full open. Simulate signal loss. It's going to go closed. "12-second cycle time, 5,310 inch-pounds. So now I'll go and simulate power failure. We'll go to 8 milliamp. These all come with lithium, or if they're ordered with them, they come with lithium-ion batteries. But they're going to come unplugged, so always remember to plug them in when you're ready to close the lid and go. Okay, so now we're at 8 milliamps, 25% open. We're going to cut power. Now the battery's taken over and it's failing closed. To change this back to keep, you'd go back through, find your control mode. So put it to L, go to set, then go down until you see system set. The first one is control mode, set, dial it down to keep, set, go back, and here's where I'd unplug the power, or take power off of it, unplug the battery, and then relocate this plug to this position here. Then turn power on, have your battery plugged in, and you ought to be able to give it a keep signal in the back with your dry contact. That is the VTM 10S general calibration instructions. This is the first version of the 10S, version 2.0. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 432-561-8710. Thank you.